Hello guys, thanks for watching and happy Wednesday. So today in this video, I'm just gonna go over properties of logarithms. Please take a note, although you don't have to submit it because we are going to use properties of logarithms through the entire module. So it's pretty important to understand. So please have your notebook and then write down your notes, okay? Let's go over the definition. So you don't have to write this slide because you should have it already. This is from 7.7. So we went over definition of logarithms with base b on Monday and Tuesday, right? So when we look at the definition or when we did the homework, we realized that logarithmic function has relationship with exponential functions. So for example, if we have log functions, we were able to convert that into exponential functions, or the vice versa, right? We have exponential function, then we can convert that into the logarithmic functions. So note that basically logarithm function is the inverse function of the exponential function. So because of this relationship, the properties of a log is pretty much similar to properties of exponents. So they do have very similar properties together. So let's take a look at the properties of a log. So you can pause this video and then copy 3 major properties of a log. So number 1 is product property. Number 2 is quotient, which is division property. Number 3 is power property. So please copy this. And B, M, N, those are just going to be the numbers later. Okay, so let me explain really quick. Whenever you have a product of the log, M times N, right? Then it becomes addition. So product becomes additions. Same thing with the quotients. When you have a fractions or divisions, it becomes negative subtractions. So log base b m minus log base b of n. So quotient becomes subtractions. Power property, maybe this one is a little bit confusing, but you guys have to remember. So the exponents goes in front of the log. So when you look at it, n is in front of log, and then everything stays the same. So you just have to bring the power into the bring the power in front of log. So make sure you have all these 3 properties. So that's what I was saying. It's pretty similar to exponential functions property, right? Exponential property. When we had to multiply 2 exponents, what did we do? We basically add power. So the log has pretty much similar properties. Let's look at the examples. You can pause the video and then copy this and try to do it by yourself, or maybe we can go through together. So number 1, I have log base 3 of 6 plus log base 3 of 2. Since I have additions, I know I have to multiply them. This is number 1 property, right? Product property. So this becomes log base of 3. So base is the same. Now, instead of 6 plus 2, you have to do what? 6 times 2. It becomes multiplications. So that becomes log base 3 of 12 when you simplify further. Okay, let's do second one. Second one, I have subtractions. What is the subtraction? When you look at your number 2 quotient property, when you have subtractions, you have division or fractions, right? So in this case, your answer should be log base 3. And 6 minus 2 becomes 6 over 2. Can I simplify 6 over 2 further? Yes, I can. So it'll be log 3. 6 divided by 2, which is 3. There we go. Next one is power property. When you look at the power property, the n goes to your exponents, right? So we are doing the backward. So I have a 6 times log base 3 of 2. So this becomes log 3, 2. And all you have to do is bring that 6 to the power. So you're basically moving the number in front of log to exponents positions. Let's do number 4. Number 4, log base 2 of 3 over 7. So now I have a 3 over 7, which is fractions. What is this? This is number 2, quotient property, right? So it is log base 2, 3 first, and then quotient you have subtractions. And then we have another log base 2, 7. So 3 over 7 becomes 3 minus 7. That's it. That's how you rewrite all that expressions. Okay. So right now you are going to log into Canvas and complete March 3rd Wednesday assignment for the attendance. It's all about properties of a log. It's matching. Number 2, complete 7.7, which is Monday and Tuesday lesson. Please complete 7.7 if you haven't done. Number 3, if you have any missing assignments, please turn it in because quarter 3 ends next Friday. And of course, Module 7 exam, if you have to make up or retake, please come during asynchronous time or email me to make an appointment. Okay, guys, I'll see you guys on Thursday and Friday. Have a great day and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.